Hello all, welcome back. This is our sixth video on one words. Okay, so in this video I will take the root malin and discuss all the important word based on this malin, M-A-L-I-G-N, malin. So let's start. So malin means malign or malin. Malin means is bad, something bad or ugly. So this is the meaning of the root malin. Malin, this is root, M-A-L-I-G-N, malin. So this is root which has negative meaning. So let's take other words based on this. So malignant. Malignant. So malignant, example, a malignant glance. Malignant glance. One showing deep hatred. So the meaning is one showing deep hatred. So it is malignant. For example, we say it's malignant. Malignant growth. Okay, so malignant, it means one showing very deep hatred, malignant. So simple हो गया, malin root हो गया यहाँ पे. We know it means something bad or ugly, so malignant. Then next word we take malignancy. Malignancy means evil intent or situation. Evil intent situation or cancerous growth. Malignancy, evil situation, or it is malignancy. It's medical term for this malignancy is cancerous growth. It's cancerous. Malignancy means cancerous growth. Let's take our next word is malediction. Malediction, M-A-L-E-D-I-C-T-I-O, malediction. मीनिंग इज अकर्स. मैलाडिक्शन क्या होता है? डिक्शन होता है टू से. डिक्शन, डिक्टस का मीनिंग होता है डिक्टस. द रूट हियर इज डिक्टस, DICTUS, डिक्टस, विच मीन्स टू से. सो वी नो द मैलेडिक्शन. मैल का मतलब हियर इज नेगेटिव and to say, so it's a curse, saying bad or for something, it's curse. Then malevolent, wishing evil. So these are those person who wish evil or harm for others. So these are malevolent. So let's take the root. Here we know the mal, which means negative meaning, and volent is to wish. Volent is to wish. So the malevolent means wishing evil or harm. Take a next word, maleficent. Maleficent. सी फैक्टस, यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? यहाँ पे दूसरा रूट है फैक्टस और फेशियो, विच मीन्स टू डू और मेक. फेशियो इज द रूट हियर और फैक्टस. मीनिंग ऑफ द फेशियो और फैक्टस इज टू डू और मेक. who do or make. So maleficent is someone who do harms. I'm sorry. One who is doing harm or causing. One either is doing harm or is causing harm. See, yes, so maleficent. Try to learn with the roots so you will never forget them. Malefactor, another word. Mal is negative, factor is doing. Factor, the root is factor, which means doing. So doing, it means doing harm or evildoer. So let's try to understand how we can make it with roots. Mal means negative and factor is means doing. Factor means doing. So doing harm or evildoer. So the term is malefactor used for that person. Yes, one very important word, maladroit. Okay, so we can clearly identify the word is made with two roots. One is mal, which means negative. Adroit means which is a skill. Adroit is used for skill. For example, dexterous, someone. Dexterous, who is someone skillful. So this is the word maladroit. So just understand the meaning of this word. So we here we have divided this in two roots. One is mal and adroit. So it's like clumsy. It's clumsy. So we use the or awkward. It's clumsy or awkward. So we use this term maladroit for the person. Then our last word, malaise. Okay. So it means indefinite feeling of bodily discomfort or mind illness. Mind illness. See. Yes, so malaise means infinite feeling of bodily discomfort. We use the term malaise for this. So that's all. These all are important words which start with the root malin. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.